Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I love a beautiful bookcase, and I think that this one is so fun. This bookcase is by LEYAOYAO. I have it here in the 5 cube option in the mint green color. I'm totally obsessed with this color. I love that pop, and I love the design of the shelves that there are a couple of different sizes here. So you're able to store larger books, smaller books, some decor items, and this is actually in our entryway. So it has really saved me so much space because not only can I store books and it looks really cute with a couple of decor things, but I'm also able to keep our necessities in a little bin. So they're out of sight, it looks nice and tidy. It's just the perfect size for that. And I really love the design too. It's kind of a mid-century modern look to it with those modern style legs. I just think that the whole thing is adorable. It's so practical with those open shelves, so you're able to store your items beautifully, and in practicality, you're able to easily grab them when you need them. It's just an all-around fantastic bookshelf, whether it's in a library or in another space where you need organization. Installation was a breeze, and it even came with this really soft rag so that you can wipe off the little styrofoam pieces that were used to protect it in shipping. I thought that was such a thoughtful detail. So if you are looking for a way to display your books or have some extra storage with a pop of color, I highly recommend checking out this bookcase, but that's just my point of view.